Hello and welcome to Simon Tech Notes. My name is Christian and I'm part of the technical support team here. In this video, we're going to be going over how to create a push button with basic graphics such as a circle in order to toggle a digital value or to change an analog value. And we will be doing this in UltimateAccess. So for starters, I'm going to open up CIMON D. And as you see, I have a blank canvas here. I'm going to go to the database. And you will see that I've created an analog tag and a digital tag. We will be using both of these tags in this lesson. So I'm going to draw a couple circles. I'm going to draw 3 of them and copy and paste those. 2 will be used for digital, 1 will be used for an analog. And then I'm going to open up my color tool to make this a little bit more easier. This will be green. This will be red. And this will be orange. So for the green, if we press this button, we're going to want it to go to the red state, the off state. So we'll say that this is going to be visible when the digital tag is on, so a 1. And then when we touch it, we want it to become reset. So we're going to go to touch, write digital value, reset because we wanted to go to the off state. I'm going to choose my tag dig. And then that's it for that one. And then for the red one, same thing, but vice versa logic. I want it to be visible when it's off. So it's going to be visible in the off mode. Check the box, go down to touch, write digital value. And then when we're in the off mode and we press it, we want to set the value. So we're going to leave it as is, press OK. And then I can just lay them on top of each other. And then we have an effective push button. Now, for analog values, you just need one circle or whatever object you have. And keep in mind, you can bring the logic I'm showing you to any object or graphic that you want to put in your project. So I'm going to double click on the circle. I'm going to go to touch or entry data, keep it in numeric mode, choose ANA. And then if you don't choose a min max value, it will default to the tags min and max values. But I'm just going to go ahead and put a 0 and 100. And then notice down here, you can do a title and a comment for your entry data tool. So I'm just going to put ANA value and then 0 to 100. And you will see that when I show that in the runtime. Furthermore, I'm going to show that the values actually changing in real time. So I'm going to go ahead and do a tagged value, dig. And then I'm going to do the same thing for ANA. And then just replace dig with ANA, and I'm good to go. So now I'm going to start the runtime, and we're going to see the creation that we made. So if I press the red button over here, this should toggle the 1, and then I see the green state, back and forth, back and forth. The orange button, I will be able to enter in a value, and then I see a 12. I see the number reflected of the change I made by pressing the button immediately. And you'll notice that we set the name of this key input window and we set the comment right here. So ANA value being the title and 0 to 100 being the min max value that we're telling the end user in case they don't see this port. They just see the comment. But I can change this however I want, and then the number will change immediately. That is how you make push buttons for analog and digital values. Thank you for watching.